Hello, could you introduce yourself? Hi, my name is Penny from Hampshire. Yes, I grew up sailing using a dinghy. I always wanted to try a yacht, a bigger boat out to sea. A yacht. It's beautiful, it's quiet and calm. With a small group of people, all deaf, I joined Deaf Sailing UK. It's lovely. I've been part of it for 4 years now. It suits me. They welcomed me in. I'm partially sighted, so I was concerned how I would see, but really the yacht always sails in one direction. I also have what they call a buddy, but as the yacht goes in one direction, it never changes. We always go the same way. So I also know where the people are who tap me gently when they want my attention. There's about 6 to 8 people. It's a really lovely small group, fun, and we really get on well. At the beginning, there were barriers, but I have a buddy with me for support and for health and safety reasons. So the barriers were there at the start. However, once I was shown things, I gained confidence, became proactive. I overcame the barriers. The yacht sails in one direction, meaning I can see everything in front of me. There is always between 6 to 8 people working together. We can't get out because we're at sea. You become a team, sharing skills, learning from each other, learning the sailing jargon. And it's knowing what to do when the wind changes direction. It's knowing how to handle the winch. Sometimes you can feel it. Sometimes my buddy will let me know which way to go. It's really lovely. My tip would be join. You're all welcome. Thank you. For information on our services, visit siteforsurrey.org.uk.